Hi, this is Ruben, engineer and intern here at Saratech, and welcome to our tips and tricks tutorial series. Thank you for watching this video on editing the bodies to use. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any suggestions or specific requests for tutorials you'd like us to cover, please leave them in the comments below. Additionally, if you have any questions about anything covered in this video, please be sure to ask them in the comments below. If you'd like to see other tutorials like this, check out our other videos here on our YouTube channel. We also offer our online customer enablement series held on the first and third Thursday of each month. This is a free 30-minute live video tutorial where our software experts will share their tips, techniques, and knowledge that will help you sharpen your skills. To sign up for this, please contact us at info@saratech.com. So let's get right into the topic of this video. So as you can see, we have some pretty basic CAD right here, and this is just going to be used for the demonstration of this video. The whole purpose of this video is to show that we have options when it comes to setting up our model. By that I mean that we can use only specific parts of our model, such as what if we only want to use the mid surfaces, or what if we only want to use solid bodies, or what if we want to use both. So I'm going to show you that we do have that option here in our FEM. So we're going to go right here to the top left, and we're going to right click on it, and we're going to go ahead and hit edit. And we're going to see this checkbox that says edit bodies to use, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. And as you see, we have a drop down menu that pops up next to bodies to use, and we're really going to have four options. We're going to have all visible, all, select, and none. So we'll start off with the easiest, which is none. And once you select none for bodies to use and you click OK, it should be pretty clear what's going to happen. Everything should disappear, and that's exactly what happens because we're choosing to not use anything from our model inside of our FEM. So go ahead, go back to edit, go ahead and click edit bodies to use, and then we'll go ahead and go back to all visible. What all visible does, if you click on it, is that everything that you have shown in your ideal model is also going to be shown in our FEM model. So if we go to our ideal model, and we're going to go ahead and click Control W, and let's say we just want to work with the mid surfaces, we're going to go ahead and hit the solid bodies. So as you can see right here, I have two mid surface sheets. So we'll go ahead and go back to our FEM. We'll let it load, we'll right click and hit edit. And we're going to click on the edit bodies to use. We're going to go ahead and go and click all visible. As you can see right here on our drop down, it's going to show our idealized part, and it's going to show just the mid surfaces. And once we click OK, this is only what we're going to see in the FEM model. To add on to when we're using all visible, the cool thing is that even though we know that we have solid bodies within it, since we're only using the mid surfaces, we can click Control W. Control W, and even if you try to open up all of the polygon bodies, only the mid surfaces will show. So that'll take us on to the next one. So we'll go ahead and click our edit one more time, edit the bodies to use, and we'll go ahead and click all. So this will allow us to use everything within our model, all of the mid surfaces, all of these solid bodies. And even though it only shows the mid surfaces right now, once we click Control W, it once again will show us everything. So we can work with everything. If we want to hide the mid surfaces, we can work with only the solid bodies, and vice versa. So this is what happens when we click on all. So moving on to the last one, we're going to go ahead and click on edit one more time, and we're going to go ahead and click on our select. This is one of the more important ones because this allows you to work with both the solids and the mid surfaces at once, depending on what you want. So let me go ahead and zoom out. Let me go ahead and uncheck what I want. So let's go ahead and click on our drop down menu. So we have the options for sheet bodies and solid bodies. So for our solid body, I'm going to want to go ahead and click on the outside for our demonstration. So I can click on that outside one instead of the inner one. So if we rotate over, we see that we can still select the inner one. But in this case, I'm not going to want to. And let's go ahead and select that sheet body from the top left, and we'll select the sheet body on the inside. We'll go ahead and select that right there. So what this will do is that it will only select and show the outer surface, the outer solid, and then the inner mid surface. So we'll go ahead and click OK. We'll let it load, and as you can see right here, this is all we're able to work with. So we go to our Control W one more time, and we try to show the other polygon solid bodies. It's not going to be able to happen, as well as the other mid surfaces. It's not going to be able to happen. So select is a lot more powerful, and it allows you to have a lot more freedom in what you can choose, whether it be the solids or the mid surfaces. And the last thing that I want to talk about is we're going to go one more time, hit our edit, And what I want to talk about is this geometry right here. This geometry can also be important because if you click on this, it allows you to see things within the actual sketches, within the modeling. So if we click on all and we click OK one more time, you see that, let it load, you see that we can see the sketch on the back for both of them. And obviously this is very basic for this model, but for things that are a lot more complicated, this can be a very useful tool that you should be able to apply and use to your advantage with the features available within NX. That's going to do it for us today on editing the bodies to use. Thanks for watching our tips and tricks tutorial series. This is Ruben, engineer and intern here at Saratech. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our other support videos here on our YouTube channel and tune into our customer enablement series held on every first and third Thursday of the month. Thank you guys.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.